What's up, budding super affiliate? Welcome to my permalink review. As you can see, I'm here inside the sales page. Let me check it out, the sales page for you. Permalink shocking discovery: permanent traffic from $181 billion network. They are referring to YouTube, I believe. In 22 seconds, permablast any link for permanent free traffic and get us $391.74 payments every day. No complicated setup, no experience or tech skills needed, no waiting for results. Okay, the sales page is pretty hypey, I feel. Okay, because it says that no experience or tech skills needed, but you should need some experience in online marketing and some skills, not too technical, but you need some technical skills to make this work. Now it's your chance to do the same. Click and play. Oh, this is the sales video, go and watch it if you have time. Okay, free autopilot traffic in 22 seconds, lifelong permanent traffic, never worry about traffic and sales ever again. 26 newbie beta testers has made above $14,000 in a week. Oh, do they have proof? Let me scroll down and see, do they have proof for this? They are simply they are making a claim, but I don't think they have a proof in the sales page. Let me check it out for you in this video. 100% passive, no manual work involved, works in any niche, stop failing and finally breakthrough, 365-day money back guarantee. That sounds too good to be true. Plus get results or get paid $300. Get permalink at a one-time price, that will be $17. Do they have proof? Okay, so these are some earning proof from the students, I think beta testers, I don't know. Last 30 days 7,000. They said they are made well over $14,000, but this was only 7,000. Okay, last 30 days $9,000, so that is insane. Okay, here's the proof. I don't think this is photoshopped. These are real results, I think. Okay, here they have the proof. 26 newbie beta testers for level 3 test. Just make sure this 100% works for beginners. Today 127, yesterday 300 above. Okay, they're showing some screenshots from this one. I don't believe these are photoshopped, but okay, these are the proofs, but I'm still skeptical. And let me scroll down and see, do they have more proof from real users? Okay, from this is from Edmund Branson. Paid me $500 per month as an intern, but I ended up making $500 in a day from permalink. And this is from John, Extract Ever, Texas. Yes, it has been a blessing to beta test the permalink software. I was no longer able to drive the truck after a serious leg injury. The entire family relied on me. Thank God, now I have an alternative to work from home for an income, all thanks to the opportunity. This is from Genevera, I think. Okay, I spent $3,000 on different useless apps and courses. None of them worked in the last 2 years. I lost faith in this whole money making online fantasy, but this is awesome software, changed everything for me. Okay, these are some real testimonials, I think. We're just 3 steps away. Purchase, step 2 activate, step 3 paydays. Okay, let me show you inside the members area of permalink and show you how this software works. Let me show you the permalink software dashboard. Here is what it looks inside once you log it into permalink software. So what we got channel statistics, and these are all some YouTube stuff. Okay, so these are yeah, you need a YouTube channel, but they didn't mention it on the sales page. We have template manager, channel manager, keyword finder, and auto reply and rank tracking. These are all YouTube stuff. You will learn this when you start a YouTube channel. Okay, here you have to connect to your YouTube channel. You see, you have an import channel button here, so you can import your channel. It says Google app settings not found, please contact system admin. Okay, this is yet to be fixed. It will be fixed before launch. You will need an YouTube channel to connect with this permalink software. So what we got in channel manager here? Channel manager, like, comment, camping, subscription camping, video upload, playlist manager, video manager. Oh, these are all YouTube stuff you will learn if you find the training inside permalink, that will be delivered inside the members area. If I click on auto like camping comment, please select a channel, please select a template, Okay, this is an auto comment and liker. Okay, this is you can like other people videos and comment on other people's videos, thereby gaining subscribers or authority to your channel. And then next, let me move on to subscription campaigns. Let me move on to template manager. Okay, let me move on to template manager. We have auto comment template and then auto reply template. Okay, all you have to do this work manually. Here's a search engine section that shows video, channel and playlist. What is this? This is pretty new. You can use this if you want to create your own videos, otherwise these search tools are not needed. And then keyword finder is a very good tool. I will show you, but it is not working because the software is yet to be fixed. And then auto reply is where you reply to other people's comments inside your YouTube channel videos or other people's channel videos. And then rank tracking, once you upload your videos, you can track your ranks of your videos. And the video link wheel, I don't have an idea about this. I don't know what it is. Video link wheel. Let me click on create campaign. Now you got a clear idea about what permalink is. Now let's get back to the sales page and see what the permalink software promised. Okay, here we are again in the sales page. Let me see what the software promised and what you delivered. Permalink, shocking discovery, permanent traffic from $181 billion network. In 22 seconds, permablast any link for permanent free traffic and get us $391 payments every day. No complicated step, no experience are needed, no waiting for results. Okay, it says free autopilot traffic in 22 seconds. This video is around 5 to 6 minutes we have spent the time together. Okay, there is no traffic we got. Okay, the software is broken inside. Okay, this software is not as work as it is promised in the sales page. Okay, if you are looking to make some legit real money online, I'm ready to help you. Just click on the link in the description and get started today. Thank you for watching my permalink review. This is Raghav signing off. See you soon.